Kuya Ernst, ang tito ng bayan. Glenn, crossover, drive seat, drop pa sa deck, tumira, wala, rebound by Nathan. Nathan, pass to Rudy, naagawan lang ni Tito, hindi pa naagawan dito. Rudy, pass to Pau, sumundot, Nathan, easy basket. Score check, 2-0. Glenn Flores, pass to AJ, tumira ng 3, effortless. Unang 3 points, Tito AJ. Tao. Nasing nila ang buwan. Mukhang pagi lumayan. Basket by Stingray. Number 8, dribbling the ball pass, Patrick. Patrick pass to Nathan. Nathan dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8 for 3. Action back. 3 points. All 5. Ganda ng laban. Red. Ang taong pagi. Glenn Flores. Pass to Marvin. Pass to Glenn. Number 26. Dribbling the ball. Number 26 crossover. Drive G. Drop pass to Ernst. Layup. No good. Pero nawakan ni Ernst. Tumira. Wala pa rin nawakan ni Ernst. Nawakan ni Dave. Dave tumigod. Tumira. Wala pa rin nawakan. Outside. Save ball. Glenn pass to Dave. Easy basket by Dave. Grabe yung connection ng tatay. Rudy tamakbo na. Ayan na si Tito Rudy. Lumayat ang kalwa. Ibang tayo. Tito AJ. Tito AJ. Tumagasa. Trapas to Marvin. Marvin step back. Pass to AJ. AJ back to Ernst. Pass to Glenn.
Ano, okay ka lang?
Glenn crossover. Glenn floater. Glenn basket.
Maganda tong laban na to.
Ang galing mo, taong pagi. Number 8, drive G. Na pangkataw. Foul. Bumangga. Nasusunod mo, nakawa ni Reyna. Reyna pass to Rudy Goldberg. Rudy, drive G. Nasusunod, nakawa ni Foul. Foul. Tumira. Wala. Rebound tayo dito. Ernst. Ano to? Bagal mo si Glenn. Bagal po si Patrick, pass to number 8, Alvarez. Alvarez, pass to Nathan. Nathan, pass to Patrick. Patrick, Goldberg, drive G, layup, wala, rebound tayo. Dave, pass to Glenn, tumatakbo na sila. Glenn nagmamadali, Glenn umito. Glenn guy, back to Marvin, wrong pass.
Oh, ganda nung pasa na yun.
Pass by Mr. Pagi. Now, drop pass to Nate, Goldberg, drive G, layup is good by Nathan. AJ pass. Glenn dribbling the ball. Glenn pass to AJ, tingin na yung tito ko. AJ pa 3, wala. Naribon din. Marvin pass to Kuya Ernst. Tumira. Basket yan. Sarap nila. Baka Kuya Ernst yan. Foul. Pass to Nathan. Nathan drop pass to Paul. Layup is good. Ganda ng pasado ng pamukha. Hindi ko alam yun. Glenn, crossover na naman. Pass to AJ. AJ back to Glenn. Glenn, pass to Marvin. Marvin wide open. By Marvin, assisted by Mr. Pagi. Flores, pass. Nathan for 3. Bumawi. Dos lang daw, dos lang. AJ, pass to Glenn. Sumagasa sa Houston. Layup is good by Glenn.
Kapit na.
Naka-na-outplay si Mr. Pagi. Foul. Pass to Patrick for 3. No good. Outside. Purple ball. Time out, Kuya JJ. Score check. 11-18 in favor of 18. Glenn, tanggal na ng airport, patay tayo dyan. Glenn, pass to Marvin. Marvin, open na naman sa balaksak. Pinakasot, napakakay ko eh. Square, pinalik kay Glenn. Glenn. Glenn, focus na ba yung idol ko? Kumasagat, nakasunod. Glenn, pass to Marvin. Marvin, for 3! Nakakuha na dito AJ. Dito AJ, sumagasa ng player ng kaliwa. Wala, rebound by Glenn. Glenn, tumira din ang tres. Bong Aikot. Outside. Same ball. Glenn, pass to Dave. Dave, pull up Jay. Malakas. Rudy, sumagasa. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Marvin. Marvin bringing the ball. Pass to Tito AJ. Tito AJ. Handball to Glenn. Glenn. Drop pass to Williams. Bumegang. Ganda ng peke. Tumira next time. Who's forward? Foul by number 9. Foul by number... O sige, dalawa na lang sila. Number 1. Huli mo bulan.
Number 1.
Foul by Paardo. First of number 6. First shot. No good. Okay, it's okay. Ernst, second shot. Basket. Foul dribbling the ball pass to number 8. Number 8 drives in, floater. No good. Rebound by Ernst. Ernst, behind the back. Pass to Marvin. Marvin drives in. Marvin floater. No good. Rebound by Glenn. Glenn steps back. Glenn crossover. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0 pass to Rudy. Rudy pass to Paul. Paul, side step pass to number 8. Easy layup by number 8. I'm running out of English. AJ. Pass to Marvin. Pass to Glenn. Go there. Basket by Glenn. 1 minute 40 seconds. Foul pass to Christian. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Speed. Nakagawal up. Pero nakawal pa rin. Pass to Nathan. Nathan ng mga basket by Nathan. Wala po. Glenn at mga Glenn. Speed. Everything got the finish. Marvin. Pull up. Pass to Christian. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Stay back. Pass to Christian. Pass to Nathan. Nathan to reverse. Goal check. 21-17 in favor of 21. Number 2. Tito AJ. Actual AJ. Messi. Actual AJ. Pass to Marvin. Marvin for 3. Ball Marvin si Boy ka. Number 8, drive in. Drop pass to number 8. Other ball.
Tawa yun.
Marvin pass to Glenn. Pass to Glenn. Finish. Basket by Glenn. Foul. Pass to Christian.
Nasaan ba yung isa?
Christian. Nasusunod na rin Glenn. Glenn.
Wala lang ako ron.
Glenn. Glenn. Pass to dito. Pass to Glenn. Basket. Grabe yung mga anak nila. Rudy, tumira ng 3, shot. Rebound by Peter. Pass to AJ. Foul seconds, AJ. Pulat siya. Grabe, Mr. Lockhart. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 2. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Number 2 pass to Glenn. Number 26 pull up 3. Short rebound by Nathan pass to number 23. Number 23 pass to number 8. Number 8 crossover. Layup. Pass no good. 14 pass to Glenn. Number 1. Number 1 drop pass to number 24. Floater. No good rebound by Bob. Pass to number 8. Number 8 pass to number 0. Number 0 pass to Nathan. Nathan pass to number 23. Number 23 reset. Number 23 drives it na. Huli it. Kaya nagkamadali. Tatlo sa isa. Then, pull up Jay. Basket by Jay. Lay up. Foul pass to number 8. Back to foul. Foul back to number 8. Number 8 crossover. Pass to Christian. Pass to number 23. For 3. Double 3 1 by. 3 1 by. Number 8. Number 8 floater. 24 pass to number 2. Number 2 pass to Brett. Number 26. Number 26. Number 26 pass to number 24. Number 24 stops. Side steps. Floater. Basket by number 24. 23 pass to number 0, pass to number 8, pass to number 9, number 9, Raiji. Pass to number 8 again. Number 8, steal by Glenn, Ferrell, foul. Foul by Glenn, first personal foul, first team foul, side forward. Nathan, pass to number 0, pass to Nathan, foul by. Foul by number 14, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 0. Number 0 tries in. Number 0 side step layup. Blocked by number 24. Number 26. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 14. Back to number 24. Number 8. Number 8. Third break. Drop pass to number 23. Fourth break again. Blocked by AJ. Reverse by number 23. Basket by number 23. 24. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Number 13. Pass to number 1. Number 1 stops behind the box. Number 1 pa din. Number 1. Pass to Blake. Blake. Drives in. Use it. Layup. Basket by Blake. What a move by Mr. Stingray. Number 8. Open. Drives in. Pass to number 0, easy layup, no good. Pass to number 24, pass to number 2, yung dito natin, di matakbo. Number 2, wide open 3. Able, Mr. Lombard. Foul pass to number 0, easy layup. Number 14, pass to number 26. Number 26. Number 26, Shabby. Drives in. Drop pass to number 24. Number 24, speed move. Floater, no good. Rebound by number 24 pa din. Number 24, pass to number 2. AJ. AJ, rebound. AJ, pass to Ken, wide open 3. No good. Rebound by the Blake. Pass to number 24. Fake the speed. Drop pass, now rebound. Pass to number 8. Number 8, 3 on 2 break. Pass to Nathan. Easy layup. Timeout. Purple. Score check 34-25 in favor of Purple. Time check 5 minutes 50 seconds. Running the break, Nathan drives in. Nathan layup, basket, good. Nathan foul, foul. Foul by number 24, number 24. First person foul, 13 foul. One shot for Nathan. Sabi si Tutoy. Ermeta out. Timo Erskine. Ronnie alok kayo. Bonus shot for Nate is good. Nathan just out. 26. Speed move. 26. Pass to AJ. AJ pass to number 24. Number 24. White ball. Foul pass to number 23, number 23, number 23, pass to Christian. Christian, pass to number 23, pass to Nathan, Nathan, easy basket by Nathan. Nathan doing it all. AJ, pass to Ken. Ken, ball fake, pull up, foul. No shot, pero merong foul. Foul by number 23, first personal foul, first team foul, substitution. Glenn out, Marvin in. Marvin pass to AJ. AJ drives in, AJ layup. Bali-bali lang mo, wala. Foul. Pass break to Christian. Christian, pass to Rudy. Rudy, wait down. Rudy, pass to Christian. Christian, pass to number 8. Number 8 reverse. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to Ernst. Ernst, pass to AJ. AJ, pass to Ken. Ken, wide open. 3. No good. Rebound by Marvin. Pero naman na yun. Pero foul. Foul by number 9. Number 9, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots. First shot, no good. Marvin, si Boyd naman. Second shot, sa kabilang side naman tumama. Number 8. Number 8 drive it. Number 8 floater basket by number 8. What a move. AJ. Pass to Ernst. Ernst. Back to AJ. AJ back to Ernst. Ernst pull up Jay. Number 3 rebound by Nathan. Nathan. Pass to Paul. Nakakuha lang na AJ. Ken. Pull up Jay. Number 3 rebound by Nathan. Nathan pass to Christian. Christian. Pass to number 8. Basket by number 8.
All na.
Tie game!
All na.
Marvin dribbling the ball. Marvin pass to Ken. Ken pass to AJ. AJ wide open 3. Good goal! By Tito. Long back. Rudy. Rudy nasa sibat. Outside for goal na. Goal ball. Tumama sa dibdib. Ken. Ken dribbling the ball. Ken pass to number 24. Number 24. Drive hit. Block by Pao. Pao with the ball. Pao pass to Christian. Christian wide open layup is good. Ken pass to Marvin. Back to Ken. Ken pass to AJ. AJ pass to number 24. Number 24 reverse is good. This is basket. Foul pass to Nate. 30 seconds. Foul pass to Christian. Christian back to number 8. Number 8 for green. Evo. Rudy with the rebound. Rudy pass to Foul. Foul drives it. Foul layup. Foul is foul. Foul by Ernst. Ernst first personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 shots by Foul. Pahalo. Ayaw mo ba? First shot by Zaid Malik. Basket by Zaid Malik. Grabe talaga si Zaid Malik. Oh. Second shot. Basket. Score check. Change favor. Ay, hindi mo pala. Tres Marias ball. Ulit, pass to AJ. AJ open, tumira ng tres. Short, rebound by, out. Pinaasa mo naman, ikaw naman. Rudy, pass to Pao. Pao, pass to Red. Red drives in, pass to Patrick. Patrick, nasa dito, per ball na. Per ball. AJ pass to Glenn. Glenn, ang ganda ng pasa kay number 20. Sablay lang. Number 9 pass to Rudy. Rudy pass to Patrick. Patrick pass to number 8. Number 8 pass to Rudy. Rudy ilang daw, pass to Pao. Point guard. Pao. Drop pass, nakuha na. Save ball. Pao pass to Nathan. Layup is good by Nathan. Change by more. Kuya JJ ang lang. Glenn. Rising trap pass to number 24. Hindi nasasambay yan. Pao. Pao. Pao sumalaksak. Pass to Rudy. Rudy open to Andres. Short. Rebound by Dave. Dave. Pass break. 2 plays. Malakas. Nakakuha pa rin ni Glenn pero wala na. Why? Pass to Rudy. Rudy. Pass to Patrick. Patrick tumira ng 3. Malakas. Rebound by Gert. Gert. Ang malakas sa mga pass.
Hindi nataas eh, no?
Dito na yan eh. Wala, pinangatakbit dito natin eh. Rudy, pass to Red. Number 8. Number 8. Crossover. Strategy, nasusundan, nakawa pa rin ikaw. Pablo Bomba. Tumira. Wala, rebound by Rudy. Rudy. Rudy pass to Nathan. Nathan for 3. No good. Rebound by Ernst. Pass to Glenn. Glenn, sumagasa. Glenn. Pinasa mo ba? Ingot. Patrick, layup. Is good by Patrick.
Labang na.
Dave pass to Glenn. Glenn wide open 3. No good. Rebound by Dave. Dave umangat. Basket by Dave. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Raji. Nasa po ni Glenn. Nakakuha ni number 24. Number 24. Nagmamadali. Number ball. Goal! What a bank by number 24. Ayan na naman yung sintas ni Glenn. Number 8, pass to Rudy. Rudy tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound by Rudy. Rudy floater. Foul. Foul by Ernst Aguasa. 7 personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Rudy. Time out. Alright. Grabe, fully made. Number 8. Ooh, nice cross. Pass to Nathan. Nathan back to number 8. Number 8 for 3. All 47. Grabe naman itong laro na. Nakakapagod kayo pag-komenta. Red. Pass to Marvin. Pass to number 24. Number 24 pass to Dave. Dave, driving. Dave, drop pass ko yan. Drop pass ako yan. Dalag pa sana tatlong magkakamukha. Number 8. Number 8, stop. Number 8. Number 8, crossover. Step back. Wala, rebound by Marvin. Marvin. Ball fake, layup is good by Marvin. Number 23, tumira ng 3.
Oh! Grabe naman yung mga tirahan na yan.
Glenn, drive G. Drop pass to number 24, tumira. Wala. Number 23, tumira ulit ang 3. Wala. Rebound by number 24. Number 24, nagmamadali. Number 24, ito siya. Number 24, umikot. Naghanap na pa sa pinasa kay Dave. Dave, pull up jumper. Wala, rebound by number 8. Number 8. Number number 8, pass to Rudy. Rudy, pass to number 23. Number 23, ball fake. Drive in, drop pass to Nathan. Nathan, ball fake. Layup is good.
Lamang na.
Got that, Dave. Glenn, raising the ball. Glenn pa din. Glenn, crossover. Glenn, sidestep, pass to number 24, floaters. Togo, Liban backyard. Reverse is good by Tito Ernesto. Ernesto Aguasa, ang Ronnie Alonte ng Australia. Number 8, libre na naman, tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound by Bardo. Bardo, pass to Alvarez. Hindi Bardo, Alvarez. Glenn, number 8. Number 8, wide open 3. In and out. Number 17, pass to number 26. Number 26, side step. Pinilit mo lang, rebound by Dave. Dave, tumira, basket by Dave. Score check, 55-54 in favor of Tres Marias. Number 23, pass to number 8. Number 8. Drives in. Ball fake. Floater is no good but foul. Foul by Ernesto. Ernesto, third personal foul. Second team foul. First shot is good. All 55. Tama, all 50. Fourth quarter shot. Fourth quarter meron na. Glenn? 40 seconds. Glenn ISO. Glenn crossover. Drop pass na huli mo. Nakakuha na number. Number 8 na pa. Next number 8. Drive in. Drop pass na Nathan. Nathan na. Is good!
Lamang.
20 seconds. 8. 15 seconds. There's foul. Foul by foul. Second personal foul. 2 shots for them. First shot. Second shot. Short. Fourth quarter na sa ating pagbabalik. Score check, 57-55 in favor of Christian. Pass to Patrick. Patrick, pass to Christian. Christian, pass to Gustavo. Foul pull-up jumper, malakas, rebound by Tito Ernesto. Pass to outside. Purple ball. Ken raising the ball. Ken, screen by Ernst. Ken, pass to AJ. Pass to Ernst, nabitawan na, nawa pa rin Ken. Drop pass to AJ, tumira, basket by Kuya AJ, Canova. Patrick, pass to Christian. Christian, drives in, drop pass to Nathan, reverse, what a pass, what a finish. Christian and Nathan connection. AJ, pass to Glenn. Glenn, jump step, pass to Glenn. Glenn back to Glenn. Okay, crossover, drop pass, pero same ball. Daya talaga nito ni Paul. 9 seconds shot lang. 9 to shoot. Save. Wow. Football. Foul by Pau Bardo. Third personal foul. First team foul. First shot by Dave. Wala pa rin talaga. Tatlo. Ginamit niya free throw. Sinablay. Tatlo na.
I'm injured, bro. Injured my right ankle this time, bro.
Ay, napakapa.
Yesterday. Did you guys win?
Free throw. Ayun ka din.
Bro, we weren't doing the same things that we did last week.
Foul. Pass to
We had
number 8.
absolutely zero pick and roll.
You guys have the more big man. Who's your big man?
Same guy.
Foul. Foul drive. Drop pass to Patrick. Buta na kay KJ. Number 8 for 3. Goals! Third attempt, 62-57. Glenn. Driving, loader. Is no good rebound by Dave. Two shots ka na lang. Foul by number 9. Number 9, third personal foul, second team foul.
They don't know how to play any of them.
It doesn't matter if I'm in.
Yeah.
They just expect me to
First
be
shot, nakashot ka din.
If you're putting me in, there's a system that needs to be put in place.
Exactly.
Second
You
shot.
should just tell them though.
I shouldn't have to.
Basket.
Me too, but like,
I fucking proved my point that I was gonna be starting point guard.
yeah.
Christian. Christian pa rin. Christian, pull up Jay. No good rebound. Ay, Christian pa rin. Drop pass to Patrick. Di lang nakuha ni Patrick. Patrick pass to Christian. Christian pass to number 8. Number 8. Drives it back to foul. 4 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, di ko nakita yung chat block. Nakaharap kasi kayo.
Games.
Thumbs up, sige.
Teams are good.
Glenn nagmamadali. Glenn sumagasa. Pass to Ken. Wide open 3. No good rebound by Dave. Dave put back. Basket by Dave. Christian pass to number 8. Number 8. Behind the back. Side step. Pass to Rudy. Rudy 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Ernesto. Ernesto pass to Kailan. Tapos mo talaga. Oh, nagagata si Ate Jack.
So I imagine we went against this team.
Game fucked up.
Yeah. We lost to them with 4 people, bro.
Time check, 5 minutes, 30 seconds remaining
When?
on the game.
Remember?
White ball tayo, white ball. Christian, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to Christian. Pass to Bao. Bao, spin, closer, basket by Bao. What a finish. What a spin, what a finish. AJ, ang asikap na kalamangan. AJ sumagasa, AJ sumaistep. Pinasa kay Glenn. Glenn back to AJ, AJ tumira. Sakto. Number 10, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to Christian. Christian, drives in, drop pass to Nathan, pull up Jay, no good, rebound by, foul! Wow! What a save by Christian! Ay, turnover. Score check, 66-61 in favor of White. Commentator ako eh. Shoutout nga pala sa happy birthday. Happy birthday ha, pare. Alvarez, pass to Fajardo. Back to Alvarez. Alvarez, back to Fajardo. 15 to shoot. Alvarez. Alvarez senior. Alvarez drops. Ay, layup pala yun. Pero foul. Foul by Christian Alvarez. Christian, second personal foul. First team foul. Third team foul pala. Kid, crossover. Rising. Pass to AJ, wide open. For 3. No good, rebound by Jay Perez. Let's tulira, wala. Rebound by Nathan. Nathan, pass to foul.
Go to Mami.
Nakuha ni Kid. Kid nagmamadali. Ay. Stop lang na tayo, stop lang.
Go to Mami.
Warning for penalty na, warning for penalty.
Right, warning for penalty.
Glenn pass to Ken. Ken crossover. Glenn drives in. Ken pull up. Ken, Noble rebound by Dave, pero meron foul. Foul by Christian.
Penalty.
Penalty rin. Ilang foul na si Christian?
Second foul.
Second foul pa lang. First shot by Dave, basket by Dave. Second shot, number 3 Van Dijk. Nakuha pa rin ni Dave. Sumagasag tumira. Wala rebound by Ernst, pero yung foul. Foul by Kuya Ernst. 66-62. Foul, pass to Christian. Christian, crossover. Napasa kay Peroni. Nakuha ni AJ. AJ tinapin kay Glenn. Glenn, easy layup kay Glenn. Babasa na mga kalamangan. Glenn. Christian, pass to number 8. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Dribbling again. Pass, Nathan. Stop.
10 seconds.
For someone to pass. Nathan, 8 to shoot. Rudy wide open 3. By Rudy, Mr. Manager. 69-64 in favor of Kuya JJ. Ken drives in, Ken stops. Ken drives, Ken behind the back. Pass to Glenn. Back to AJ. AJ drives in, pero meron foul. Foul by Nathan. 2 shots
Penalty.
for AJ. Nathan, third na ba?
Nathan, third foul.
Nathan, third person. First shot by AJ. Ooh, hindi na.
Ernst, fourth foul.
Second shot. Number 3 Van Dijk, Christian. Number 8, delivering the ball. Number 8, between the legs, pass to foul. 15 to shoot, foul. Foul drives in. Foul side step, foul reverse. Number 3 Van Dijk, AJ. Pass to Glenn. Glenn, right step, foul. Foul by number 8. Number 8, first personal foul. 2 shots.
Number 8. First foul.
First shot by Glenn. Ay, mabubuti sa ito. Second shot. Basket. Madasa. 4. Foul. Foul in number 26. Number 26, second personal foul. Second team foul.
Second team foul.
Christian dribbling the ball. Christian. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Speed drop, pass to foul. Everything but the finish. Kuya Ernst wants the rebound. Kuya Ernst pero meron foul. Kuya Ernst 2 shots.
Nathan, fourth foul. Time out, right?
First shot by Ernst, basket. Buti pa si Ernst may free throw. Second shot by Ernst. Wala, rebound by foul. Foul, dribbling ka ball, ginugulo ng dalawa na ipasa. Nakakuha ni number 8, kaya pero foul.
Damn.
Foul by Glenn, third personal foul, 13 foul. Side ball. Baseline pala, baseline.
Never been.
Ano?
Oh, you have champion.
Ah.
Huh? You have champion.
Foul stop. Foul move. Wala na good. Time out, ref. Time out. Time out. Big boy, Boracay. Binawi yung layup ng supply. Lead.
Tight ass game.
Len, pass to Dave. Dave Poultry, malakas yan. Dosi. Nakakuha ni Ken. Wow, 2 shots.
Oh, goal is well.
Oh, yeah.
Kaya Christian, third personal foul.
Wala na si Marvin. Marvin. I reckon that guy.
First shot by Ken.
Yeah, he can score. Right? He's an offensive type of player. Oh,
He's like Jared.
he's like a Jared.
Last shot. Ha?
But Jared plays good.
Second shot, basket. Baba sa apat. Tapos na yung beat. Tapos na yung beat natin.
Yeah, nice.
One more. Warning for penalty pa lang po. Ilang ball na si Glenn?
With one thing.
God damn, bro.
Number 8.
Oh, hell no, bro.
Penalty. Isa dyan.
Relax lang. Kayo naman nagkakabihan ng tao dito. Graduate ka na, Glenn?
Apat pa lang si Glenn.
First shot, basket. Second shot, basket. Dave, pass to AJ. AJ? Tumira ng palayo. Nariba ni Dave. Basket by Dave.
That's kind of his stuff.
It's too far,
Wala na
bro.
po tayo shot na.
God, he's in the NBA,
That's a
bro.
decision. That's a Jordan Poole.
First shot, basket.
Can't believe White's winning, bro.
Second shot, basket ulit. AJ, pass to Glenn. Glenn, pass to Glenn. Glenn, crossover to Glenn, lumayak. Basket by Glenn.
I was too close to try. I forgot to move this, bro.
Apat lamang. Foul by Christian. Ring pala din. By AJ.
Oh, penalty.
Kaya lang, time out daw pag nakasit yung pangalawa. Wala daw.
My base is tight.
Hey, how's the PC?
It's good as, bro.
So good?
Yeah.
First shot,
I
wala.
reached the sender with that one, so
Yeah.
you better reach the sender, bro.
I'm trying to get my shit back. Trying to get my game sense back.
Wala ulit. Rebound ni Dave. Short pass to AJ.
Another one.
AJ nagmamadali. AJ sa pag-asa. Pass to Glenn. Again, wide open 3. No good rebound by Dave. Basket. Dalawa lang.
Oh, damn. Oh.
Time out na rep. Ken pass to AJ. AJ for 3. Wala. Rebound by. Kamayan tayo. Kamayan.
Nice game.
Nice game.